welcome back my channel everyone. In here I will explain about tool. 1. The ball pen hammer, often termed the machinery hammer, is a very useful tool aboard ship. The head of the hammer is made of hardened steel. The handle is of hickory or other headwork. The flat portion of the head is called the fetch, and the other end is known as the pen, the latter being used for heading, rivet, and similar, penning or drawing. The hole for the handle is the A. Ball pen hammer are classed according to the weight of the head without the handle. The variant is sized from 4 ounces to 2 pounds, the popular size being the 6 ounce for light work, the 12 ounce for general activity, and the 16 ounce for heavy work. 2. The starting pen. Hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal in line with the handle, while the cross pen hammer is used for the same operation at right angle with the handle. The claw hammer is used for driving and pulling nail. Hammer with handle made of soft material such as lead, copper, baby, rawhide, wood, plastic, UTC are called soft hammer. Soft hammer are generally used where a steel hammer might mar or injure the work. Never work with a hammer having a loose head. A loose head will eventually fly off and may injure someone. When using a hammer, it should be held near the end of the handle with the edge of the hammer parallel to the work. A grip just tight enough to control. The below is best. Keep the handle and the hammer handle free from grease and oil. Otherwise, the hammer might slip from the grasp. It should also be remembered that oil or grease on the hammer edge may cause it to slip off the work and lead to a painful bruise. Do not ruin the hammer handle by using it for pounding or prying purpose. Sledges, or sledgehammer are used for heavy work. They can be ported in the both single fetch and double fetch type. A double fetch sliding being so in 5, 3 and vary in weight from 4 to 20 pounds. B. Screwdriver have 3 main parts. The handle, which is a grip by the user, the shark, which is the steel portion extending for the handle, and the blade, which is the end that fit into the slot of the screw. 1. The standard screwdriver is used for most ordinary work and comes in a variety of sizes. The blade must have sharp corner and fit the slot in the screw closely. Otherwise, it is likely to slip and make to slot. It is also important that a screwdriver be held firmly against the screw to prevent it from slipping and injuring the work or the work. 2. The offset screwdriver make work possible in tight corners where the starting people will not enter. It has one blade for forked in line with the shaft, and the other break at right angle to the shaft. 3. The Phillips type screwdriver is made with a specially shaped plate to fit Phillips triple cross slot screw. The head of the screw has two slots that cross in the center. This checks the tendency of the screwdriver to slide out of the slot onto the finished surface of the work. 4. The ratchet screwdriver is used to drive or remove small screws rapidly. Some screwdrivers have handles made of insulating material and are useful when electrical work is being done. When a screwdriver with an insulated handle is not available, the handle of other screwdriver can be insulated by warping them with tape. Pliers. Side-cutting pliers are used principally for holding and tying the material or for cutting wire. Adjustable combination pliers have a slot joint that permits the jaw to be opened whether at the height for gripping large diameter. They are used principally for holding and bending flat or round stock. The various length and shape of flat nose, round nose, and needle nose or long nose pliers make it possible to bend or from metal into a variety of shapes to hold objects in tight spot and to make daily set adjustment. With the nose plier and hip full when recovering a waist or nut from a place where it is hard to reach. Avoid using pliers on a hair-thin surface. As such, use dull the teeth and cause pliers to lose their gripping power. Do not use pliers for loosening or thinning nuts, as the flat or the nuts will become damaged. Diagonal shooting pliers have short jaws with blades at a slight angle, as this tool is valuable when removing and replacing solder pins, and can be used not only to cut the pins to the desired length, but to spare the end after the pins are in place. There are also hands for shooting the soft ball, which is passed through small hole is nut and bolt having to safety them or prevent them from working loose. When diagonal shooting pliers are used, the cut sound be made with the torque of the jaws. Not will the point as the latter use will increase the tendency to spring the jaws are part once the jaws are sprung. It is difficult to shoot fine wire. 17. Wrenches. Fundamentally, the wrench is a tool for extracting a twisting starting, as in turning bolts and nuts, as the measuring of nut and bolt heads are hexagonal or six-sided. Many wrenches are specially designed to fit head and head nuts. Open and wedge solid nuts break with opening is in one or both ends, and curl open and wrench with small opening are usually sported that wrench with large openings, thus proportioning the left advantage of the wrench to the size of the work and helping to prevent breaking of the wrench or damage to the bolt or stud. Adjustable wrench, a hand-allowed wrench for light work is the adjustable open-end wrench such as sold in Fig 19. One jaw of the wedge is fixed. The outer jaw is moved along a slide by a screw adjustment the angle between the jaw opening. Thank you. See you in the channel